Hi Freya and Best Home Services Pros, I'm Ray. I work for One Stop Marketing here in Palmdale. We spoke on the phone. Let's take a look at your online presence. The way to beat out your competitions through content, citations, and backlinks. So when I go to your website, painting-palmdale.business.site, it's not found. This is something I can definitely help you with. I can set it up for you so you aren't missing out on people being able to find you online. Here's your competitor's site. I mentioned content. The words on your page as well as the pictures and what they save as is the content. We typically want to see 1,500 words on your front page with relevant keywords like painting in Antelope Valley to help you show up in the search engines. If I do a Google search for faithful painters in Antelope Valley, I see you have 3 different citations: Chamber of Commerce, Zalby, and Yelp. These are great to have, and when I search for painting in Google, let me just pull that up. Okay, so painters in Google for Antelope Valley. The first thing you see are the ads right here, and then the next thing you see is the map pack. So that's where those citations that you have, the Yelp and the Chamber of Commerce, those would help you get into this map pack. These people have a few more citations, and if you get just a little bit more than they have, then you can show up ahead of them for this search for painters in Antelope Valley, as well as some other searches. When you scroll down a little bit, you see these are organic listings. These are determined by backlinks. Backlinks are what give websites, it's a website that's sending a link back to your page. So like if a news website did a story on you and they linked back to your page, I have this tool called Ahrefs, and it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's not. It's not 100% accurate, but it gives us a good idea. So here's one of your competitors, and with the backlinks, you want to have more than your competition to rank higher. They have 5 backlinks. That's totally beatable. We can definitely get you more than that. Here's the keywords that they're using on their website when it loads. Okay, so they're using painters in Lancaster, painter Lancaster, painters in Palmdale. The keyword difficulty is like 0 on painters in Lancaster, so we could definitely take over that. And the volume is like 50 searches, and then 2 people are clicking on that out of those 50. And you can definitely take over that and rank higher, and those keywords as well as some other keywords. So that's all I have for you. Using content with keywords, citations, and backlinks, you can improve your online presence. I hope you enjoyed this video and these free tips. If you want to see how One Stop Marketing can help you get more customers, reach out to me. We can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just please give me some feedback. Let me know how I did on this video. Thanks.